Hello, I'm going to make a game over screen in Gamemaker, and I'm going to show you how to do it as well. To do that, we're going to need to create one object named text object, which I have right here, and one room named GameOver room, which I have right here. The first thing we want to do is have a trigger that will signal when we want the game to end. In this game, it's when the player meets the button. So if this player touches this very gentle button, the game will be ended. But this is just a trigger. It doesn't actually do anything because there's no code inside of the if statement. So what we want to add is room go to next. If we leave it blank with nothing inside these parentheses, it'll automatically move to the next room in the room order. But if you really want to, you can add in a room name inside these parentheses, and that will be the room that you'll be taken to. But for this, I'll just leave it blank. The next thing you want to do is go to your text object and create a draw event. After you do that, you want to enter the function draw text, and then you want to specify where it is in the room and what it says. So for this room, I'm just going to add it as coordinates 500, 500, and I want it to say game over. Let's make it big with a few exclamation points, just a few, to show how bad this is. Next thing you want to do is add that text object to our game over room. You can add it anywhere you want in here. You won't be seeing it, it doesn't have a sprite. I personally like to add it just off on the top left of the room. After we do that, it should work. So let's try it out. Okay, I'm going to run in the button.